morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Did you have your breakfast? Yes. Did you take milk? Yes. Yes, milk is a nutritional food, right? So everybody must drink milk every day. Right? Even if you don't eat food, no problem. But a milk is a whole food and you must drink milk every day. So, where were we? We were on the topic singular and plural, right? Yesterday we learned that some words form their plural by changing their spelling, right? Let's revise those words. We are revising, we are not writing. You don't have to write, you only have to pay attention, right? You have to look on the board. Now see, M-A-N, man. How will it form its plural? It will form its plural by changing its spelling. So this A will become E, M-E-N, man. Woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman, W-O-M-E-N, right? Foot, F-O-O-T, this will form its plural by removing the two O's, F-E-E-T. G-O-O-S-E will become G-E-E-S-E. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. What will it become? Teeth, correct. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Right? So this is how you have to form the plural of some irregular nouns, right? You don't have to write, that is why I am erasing it, rubbing it out. We have already written it, we are revising. You can open your page where we were revising. Child, C-H-I-L-D, child will become C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Person, P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Person मैंने व्यक्ति, भीड़, people, लोग. Person will become लोग, people. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse will become M-I-C-E, mice. Louse, L-O-U-S-E, will become L-I-C-E. So this is how you form the plural of some irregular nouns, or you can say of words by changing their internal letters, right? After this, today we are going to learn some nouns which don't change their self. Okay, वो change करना पसंद नहीं करते हैं. There are some words which don't change their forms, like aircraft, A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T, aircraft. Aircraft, aeroplane. So it is not going to change its spelling, it will be as it is. A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T, right? Deer, D-E-E-R, deer will remain deer. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep will remain sheep. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish will remain F-I-S-H, fish, right? Hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Hair will become hair only, it will not change its spelling. So there are some nouns which do not change their spellings, right? Now we are going to write down the rule which we were continuing in our classwork copy. Okay? So let's write down the rule. Next rule is, what is is the next rule? Now we are going to write it down. So mention your classwork, your date, and some nouns have the same form in the singular and plural. So this is your rule. Some nouns have their same form in singular and plural. Right? They don't change their self. They have the same form. फॉर्म यानी उनके वर्ड्स को कुछ भी चेंज नहीं किया जाता है. They do not change their selves. Now you can make the columns singular and the plural column, right? Plural. Now the first word is hair. 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 Hair will become hair itself. It will not change itself. Number 2. Yes. Aircraft. C-R-A-F-T. Aircraft. Aircraft, it will remain the same. Aircraft, right? Bison. You know what is the meaning of bison? It's like a, हिंदी में हम बैल बोलते हैं ना, हाँ, सांड, sorry. Bison यानी सांड. So it will remain the same. B-I-S-O-N. Bison. Next, number 4. Deer. Deer will not change itself. It will remain the same. There is no plural for deer. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep will remain sheep only. Right? Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Okay. So these are some words which do not change when we make their plural form. Okay. So they remain as it is. Right? They don't want to change themselves. Hope you have written down what is written on the board. Hair, aircraft, bison, deer, sheep, fruit, right? So hope it is very clear to you, and this is the end of our topic singular and plural. In this topic we have learnt many rules, right? So we are going to revise those rules once again after you finish writing it down. Okay? I am waiting for you to write, and the moment you finish writing, we will revise the rules and we will do the exercise of your Pansy book. By the time all those who have finished writing, be ready with your Pansy book. Take out your Pansy book, page number 20, the exercise is given for you, and we are going to do this exercise today after revising all the rules. While revising all the rules, I want you all to be in an attention form. Pay attention, try to recall what you have learned, right? So now I am erasing what I have written down on the board. Right? So now let's revise the first rule. The first rule is by adding S. Right? So boy will become boys. Girl will become girls. The only thing is we have to remember is see the full spelling, write it down and add the S. Now this is the second rule by adding es, right? Then these are the new members who came in our family. But we had a fight also with some members and we told them to go back. Who are those? Y, then FEF or FE, right? So words ending in Y, what do? We remove the Y and add IES. What do? We remove the Y and add IES. Cry, CRY. We are going to remove the Y. We have removed the Y and we will write down IES. Right? Baby, BABY. What I am going to do? Remove the Y and IES. Pony, PONY. What I will do? Remove the Y and IES. Ponies. Then body, BODY. Body. Remove the Y and IES. So this is the third rule, right? What is the fourth rule? We are going to remove the F or FE. Then what we are going to add? VES, right? Leaf, LEAF. Leaf, will remove the F and VES. Loaf, LOAF. Loaf, will remove the F and add VES. Wife, WIFE. Now what we are going to do is remove the FE. We have removed the FE and this will become VES. Right? Now thief, knife, KNIFE. What I am going to do is remove the FE. So this FE I have removed and it becomes VES. Right? So first rule is by adding S. Second rule is by adding ES. Third rule is by removing the Y and adding IES. Fourth rule is by F or FE. If the word is ending in F or FE, we'll remove them and add VES, right? And after this comes the next rule, that is Y, right? In some cases, we don't remove the Y for making plural. Which are those cases? When there is a vowel before the Y. For example, KEY. Now see, the word is ending in Y, right? But there is a vowel. If E is a vowel, then it forms the plural by adding S. Toy, TOY, toy. O is a vowel. So how will it form its plural? By adding S, right? Now boy, BOY. O is a vowel. So how will it form its plural? By adding S, right? So when there is a vowel plus Y, we form its plural by adding S, right? And some nouns form their plural by changing their spelling, right? Now for example, MAN will become MEN, right? MOUSE, mouse, will become mice. So they change their whole spellings. Hope this is very, very clear to you. This was just the revision. You don't have to write it, but you have to put it in your mind. हमेशा के लिए दिमाग में घुसा लेना है रूल्स को, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स ओनली इट विल बिकम वेरी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू रिमेंबर all the rules, and then we will not commit any mistake any time. Yes, yes children. So now are we ready for the exercise? Yes, are you ready? Let's start the exercise. Yes, okay, come on, let's start the exercise on page number 20. Open up your fancy book, page number 20. All ready? Get set, go. Write down exercise, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Don't forget to mention the page number. Right? Mention it in the bracket. Page number 20, right? Okay, done? Okay, now you have to make 2 columns. What you have to do? You have to make 2 columns, right? So here you are going to write, give the plurals of. In the exam also you will get a question like this, give the plurals of, and the one side singular words will be given and plural side you have to write down, right? Here, so let's start. Make 2 columns. One column is singular and the other column is the plural part, right? After making 2 columns, write down number 1. Make your 2 columns neatly. You don't have to spend time on looking for a scale or something. You can just fold the page equally and you can press it and you get an imaginary line. This line you can see but you cannot see it, okay, right? You can feel it but you cannot see it, right? So your page is divided into 2 parts and easily you can write down into columns, okay? So the first word is army, A-R-M-Y. Now what you have to do is you have to check the last letter. What is the last letter? Y. Remember the rule for Y? What was the rule for Y? Y से हमको दोस्ती पसंद नहीं थी, Y हमारा कहना नहीं सुनता था, हमने Y को हटा दिया, भगा दिया, उसकी जगह हमने किसको बुलाया था? IES, right? So हमें यहाँ पर Y को हटाना है. We have to remove the Y. So it will become ARM और दोस्ती किससे हुई थी? IES. We will add the IES and the plural is formed, right? So army, armies, army, armies. The next word is proof. Now the next word is proof, P-R-O-O-F, proof. Now what you have to look is the last letter. It is ending in F. It is ending in F. But what we have learnt was, if a letter ends in F, we have to remove the F and add VES, right? But here what you have to look is, there is a vowel before the F. What is there? O is a vowel. So we are going to add only S, P-R-O-F-S, proofs, right? When there was a vowel before the Y, we added S. When there is a vowel before the F, we are going to add S. Okay. So the third word is way. W-A-Y. Now, ending in Y, letter before the Y is A is a vowel. So it will become W-A-Y-S, ways, right? Next, number 4. The fourth word is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Remember the first rule of adding S? Simply add the S. Umbrellas. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-S. Umbrellas. Next. Atlas. A-T-L-L-A-S. Atlas. You know what is an atlas? Atlas is a book of maps. Right. It is ending in S. Remember the second rule. Words ending in S, double S, CH, SH. Form the plural by adding ES. So we are going to write down the same spelling. A-T-L-A-S-E-S. Atlases. Next word is book shelf. S-H-E-L-F. Bookshelf. It is ending in F. Remove the F. Add V-E-S. Right. So we are going to add B-O-O-K-S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Bookshelves. Okay. The next word. Sheep. Sheep. Some words don't change their spelling, so it will remain the same. Sheep. Next. Child. Yes, bachcha. Child means bachcha. Bachche, children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Okay. Waiting for you to complete your work. Yes. Army, armies. Proof, proofs. Way, ways. Umbrella, umbrellas. Atlas, atlases. Bookshelf, bookshelves. Sheep, sheep. Child, children. Let's move further. After number 8, number 9. Half. H-A-L-F. Now see the last letter is F. Remove the F and add V-E-S. H-A-L-V-E-S. Next is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Yes, there is a vowel and it will become giraffes. G-I-R-A-F-F-E-S. Giraffes. Fairy. F-A-I-R-Y. Fairy will become fairies. F-A-I-R. We'll remove the Y and add I-E-S. Fairies. Next. Lady. L-A-D-Y. Remove the Y, add I-E-S. L-A-D-I-E-S. Ladies. Next. Grief. G-R-I-E-F. Now grief. Grief matlab dukh. So there is a vowel before the F and it will become G-R-I-E-F. Griefs. Griefs. Next. Church. 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 Church will become churches. 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 It's ending in ch. The words ending in ch form their plural by adding es. Right? Hope you all have completed. Yes, waiting for you to complete your work. Okay, so let's move further. Number 15. Turkey. Turkey. See here, it's a vowel before the y, so it will become turkeys. Keys. Right? The next word is key. Key. It will become keys. Keys. Balloon. Ballon. Balloons. Ballons. Balloons. Goose. Goose will become Geese. Geese. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. So Kangaroo. Kangaroos. Echo. Echo. Echo will become Echoes. Echos. Right? Hope you all are writing down. Yes. Okay, so hope your work is complete, and in homework you are going to try to make plurals on page number 21. See, we have done our work till 20, and on the next page, that is 21, here some words are given which you have to form the plural of. You will try these words, and in our next period we will do these words, check your work whether you have written down correctly or wrong. No problem, even if there is a mistake, you are going to improve by making mistakes. Trying is the best part. Okay, so you will try doing those words, making plural, and meet you in the next period. Bye bye for today. Hope you all have completed your work. If not, please complete your work. Okay, bye.